All right. So, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you grab your links from Amazon. No, that's not right. Affiliate marketing is where you grab your Telegram links and just spam them on Facebook. No, that can't be right either. Affiliate marketing is a scam. It's not possible. There's no way people are making money with affiliate marketing. No, that can't be right either. What is affiliate marketing? I don't know. I don't know. Beats me. In this video, I am going to show you and tell you what affiliate marketing is simply and plainly so that you can actually start making money. There's a lot of misconceptions out there. There's a lot of people telling you what affiliate marketing is and isn't. I'm going to break it down so that you have a painfully clear understanding of what it is. Let's go ahead and get started. My name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I am an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. So let's go ahead and get started. What is affiliate marketing? Now, the definition of affiliate marketing is earning commission or getting paid when someone clicks on your affiliate links. It's really as simple as that. What you can do is you can work with different companies to get affiliate links, and then you put those links in the hands of people that need them, and the people that need them, also called customers, they click on your link and buy the product. That's really it. Let me jump into my whiteboard, and I want to show you really how affiliate marketing works. So here we are, we're on this online whiteboard, and there are really three parts to affiliate marketing. There is the customer, I'll put CUS. There is the product owner, I'm going to put product owner, PO, right here. And the customer needs to buy a product. And before we even talk about that, the customer is happy. They're very happy. Their world is fulfilled. They don't have any problems. And the customer only comes to the internet when they have a problem or a perceived problem. Maybe they want to make money. So we'll say make money, MM. Or maybe they want to lose weight, LW, lose weight. Or maybe they want to start a new hobby, HOB, for hob. Okay, and when that happens, they go to the internet. And they go to the internet looking for a solution. They have a problem. They want to know how to make money. They want to know how to lose 20 pounds in 20 days. Or maybe they want to learn more about the hobby that they heard about from their friends, and they just want to learn more. And so what's going to happen is eventually the customer is going to need a product. And before they get to the product, they have questions. They want to learn, can you make money? How to make money online? How to make money with affiliate marketing? How to make money with drop shipping? Can you make money with drop shipping? A customer is going to ask questions along this path before they get to a product or service that they need. Another good one that they often ask is, how do you start blogging? Or what is a blog? And what will happen is before a customer can get to that end product or to that product owner, they're going to ask a lot of questions. And as an affiliate marketer, we are going to insert ourselves. So I'm going to put affiliate marketer, put that right there. We are going to put ourselves in these different parts right here. And the reason why is to answer these questions. We are going to answer how to start a blog. What's required to start a blog? What are the tips? How to start a personal finance blog, how to lose weight. Can you lose weight? We're going to insert ourselves in these questions for a few reasons. One, the customer doesn't know what they don't know. The customer wants to lose weight, but they may not know the best ways to lose weight. They may not know that there are different ways to lose weight with organic supplements, with walking. Maybe they want to know the best walking shoes to lose weight. Maybe they want to know the best way to lose weight over 50. The customer doesn't quite know what they don't know, and so it's our job to answer those questions and to answer the next question just in case they are thinking of it. And that's really our job as an affiliate marketer, is to insert ourselves in this timeline so that we can help the customer solve actual problems. These are real people with real problems, and we are going to solve them. And what we can do as an affiliate marketer is we can then direct them over to the product owner with our affiliate link, and we can make money. Now, I'm sure you're asking a number of questions about affiliate marketing. Is it a scam? Of course not. Companies like Amazon and Bluehost and Best Buy and Newegg, they all have affiliate programs. Affiliate marketing runs into an issue when people just start spamming their affiliate links, or they're making unethical claims, or they're giving off partial information. They're not giving the whole truth. Another question that often pops up is why would a customer trust an affiliate marketer and not just go over to Amazon? Oftentimes, customers do just go directly over to the product owner like Amazon or Best Buy or Newegg because they have an idea of what they need and what they don't need. A customer will come to a blog or a YouTube channel when they're not sure of their possibilities or their opportunities. For example, if we jump over to YouTube right now, people are searching and looking up how to make money online. Because when you're thinking about it, if we type in how to make money, people are entering into this funnel where they're going to select their own adventure. For example, when I type in how to make money, you can make money on YouTube or TikTok or Instagram or LinkedIn or even Grand Theft Auto. As you can see, people are asking these questions. And as they continue to ask questions, they are going to enter in and exit out of different funnels. And to better illustrate that, let's go back over here. So a customer comes over and they want to learn how to lose weight. Their doctor told them that if they don't lose 50 pounds, they're gonna have a miserable life. And so if we draw a little triangle here, we have a customer. This is also called a funnel. I don't know why I drew a Q, but this is supposed to be different customers. They are happy up here, but then they enter into this funnel and they want to learn how to lose weight. And this is all affiliate marketing is. We are creating content to help them solve whatever problem that they have. They're coming here and they're saying, how do I lose weight? And we, as affiliate marketer, we're going to give them 10 ways to lose weight. Or maybe they're asking how to lose 10 pounds in 10 days. If we go back over here, I'm going to type in how to lose 10 pounds in a month, in 3 weeks, in a day, in a week with exercise, in 2 weeks. And our job is simply to give them their options. And that's what we're going to do here at the first step. How to lose 10 pounds, okay? Maybe they're looking for the best way to lose 10 pounds. So they're going to type in best. Right now they're narrowing they're narrowing, or they're working their way down the funnel. Some people are going to jump out right here and they're going to be content with being themselves. Some people have decided that they're going to try and lose weight with supplements, or they're going to try Jenny Craig. Some people are still going to continue to ask and answer questions. What are the best ways to lose weight for women over 50? And what you can do is as an affiliate marketer, we're going to give them a list of 5 different ways to lose weight as a 50-year-old woman. Maybe the next step, if you're creating a blog or YouTube channel, is you do a comparison comparing 2 of those ways. So maybe one way is to take the flat belly fix. Another way is to get the best walking shoes possible. What you're going to do here is you're simply going to create a video or YouTube channel or a blog post where you're comparing taking a pill versus walking. So they're looking up comparisons versus walking. Put walk here. All right. And again, people are going to jump off here because maybe they've decided that taking a pill is going to help them lose the weight. Maybe they've jumped off here because they're going to go out and buy a brand new set of Nikes or a brand new pair of Nikes, and they're going to walk their way to success. You can add affiliate links at every step of the way. And because you are solving problems and adding value and helping out, people are going to click on these links and buy at every stage. Some people want to know a little bit more about the flat belly fix, and so they're going to type in flat belly fix review. Okay, and down here at the very bottom is where people can make money with these reviews. But so this is affiliate marketing. This is all it is. I know there's a bunch of lines, but at the very core, it's a customer that has a problem, and there's a product owner that has the solution. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to help that customer get to the best solution for them using your affiliate link. And you'll get your affiliate link through the product owner, whether it's Amazon or eBay or Best Buy. You can find different affiliate programs by typing in your niche or your topic. For example, you could type in weight loss affiliate programs. You can type in make money online affiliate programs. You can type in hobby affiliate programs, and there's going to be a list of them. And I mean, while this looks complicated, if your goal is to help a customer go from pain to solution, you've done your job. And you're going to do that with your affiliate link. That's what affiliate marketing is. Let me know if this was helpful, if this makes sense, if this is too complicated, let me know. I'll go back and I'll do it again. Now that I've explained affiliate marketing to you, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online with affiliate marketing, or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.